Hi everyone, this is Rajkumar. Today onwards, I would like to explain about Indian Constitution. I think all of know about our rights and fundamental rights, but who give us these rights? That my question is, when was it formed and where was it located and how was formed and why was it formed? Let's find out more about the Indian Constitution. Introduction. The Constitution of India is the supreme law of India. Supreme law of India. It frames political principles, and rights, powers, and duties of the government. The Indian Constitution is the world's second longest constitution. The Indian Constitution, it's had 395 articles in 22 parts and 8 schedules. And next point, the Indian Constitution approximately 1,45,000 words. 1,45,000 words. It was adopted by the Constitutional Assembly, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Chairman of the Drafting Committee, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Chairman of the Drafting Committee. And then the Constitution of India, adopted on 1949, November 26th, adopted by 1949, November 26th. It comes to effect on 1950, January 26th. Effect on 1950, January 26th. 26th of January is celebrated as the Republic Day of India. And then coming to next point, the Constitution of India provides its citizens with 6 fundamental rights. One is freedom, and second one is rights to equality, and third one is cultural and educational rights. And fourth one is rights to constitutional remedies. Fifth one is rights against exploitation. Recently, the rights to privacy has also added to the fundamental rights. Right to privacy. This is the 6 fundamental rights. This is about introduction of Indian Constitution. సాధారణంగా గవర్నమెంట్ జాబులు పడితే ఫర్ సపోజ్ మన స్టేట్లో 20,000 జాబ్స్ పడితే దానికి 20 lakhs మెంబర్స్ అప్లై చేస్తారు. అప్పుడు అందరూ అనుకుంటారు మనకి ఎక్కువ కాంపిటీషన్ ఉందని. కానీ సాధారణంగా అందరూ వాళ్ళ పేరెంట్స్ ఫోర్స్ వల్ల అండ్ రిలేషన్స్ ఫోర్స్ వల్ల అందరూ అప్లై చేస్తారు అంతే, కానీ వాళ్ళందరూ చదివినట్టు కాదు. ఇప్పుడు మనం హార్డ్ వర్క్ చేసామనుకో ఈ 20,000 జాబ్స్లో మనకే వస్తాయి అన్నమాట. అంటే మనం హార్డ్ వర్క్ చేస్తే ఆ జాబ్స్ మనకే వస్తాయి. సో ఆల్ ద బెస్ట్ టు ఆల్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.